Sheep are eating wheat, grass, fish, grass. A cow gives us milk, wool, honey. Milk. Cow gives us milk. A dog is an animal, wild, domestic, jungle. A dog is a domestic animal. Hens lay egg, milk, honey. Hens lay eggs. A cat likes to drink juice, milk, tea. Cat likes to drink milk. What gives us milk, wool, leather? What gives us milk? Camel is called the ship of the sea, desert, jungle. Camel is called the ship of desert. Donkey is a pet loading carrier, dangerous. Donkey is a loading carrying animal. Buffalo like to sit in mud, sand, ice. Buffalo like to sit in mud. Horse run very slow, fast, lazy. Horse run very fast. Goat has straight, curved, no horns. A goat has curved horns. Cat like to chase mice, birds, dogs. Cats like to chase mice. A horse lives in a stable, kennel, coop. A horse lives in a stable. We get wool from cow, sheep, goat. We get wool from sheep. Ducks love to swim in water, sand, grass. Ducks like to swim in water. A parrot can sing, talk, write. A parrot can talk. A donkey carries people, load, flour. A donkey carries load. Rabbit love to eat carrot, meat, fish. Rabbit love to eat carrot. A cow eat hay, meat, rice. Cow eat hay. Dogs guard our shop, farms, homes. Dogs guard our homes.